What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a face mask shield out of a 2-liter soda bottle. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so you're going to want to pick up a 2-liter soda or water bottle. Make sure it's clear and also make sure it doesn't have any ridges or designs in the plastic. I just got whatever was on sale for 99 cents. First thing we'll do is go ahead and take off the label. Now we'll go ahead and cut the bottom off first. You can either use scissors or a razor blade. It's easy to get it started with the razor blade. Okay, then we're going to cut off the top, and we're going to cut off the top pretty low down here because we want this curve. Now we're going to go ahead and cut down the middle. Cut where the tape was so that won't be in our field of vision. So now we have the basic shape of the mask. So then we'll go ahead and mark where our ears are. Now we can cut a little half circle where our ears are, like that. Now the edges of the plastic are really sharp, so try and round off all your cuts. And if you want to, put a little bit of tape just right on the very edge. That'll keep you from cutting yourself. You can also take a lighter like this and very lightly, carefully burn the edges, and that'll make the edges a lot softer. Kind of makes them curl up. And now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put something soft on the inside where our forehead's going to be. And what's easiest for that is I had some of this left over from a project. This is foam weather stripping. You can find this in the hardware store, usually by the doors. So just foam weather stripping. Or you can use pieces of sponge, clean sponge, any sort of cloth, or pool noodle, a piece of pool noodle. Just measure a piece out and cut it. And this foam stuff is really cheap too. And I'm just going to stick it right to the top. Press it down real good. This one was actually double-sided, but it's usually just single-sided sticky. Now you're going to need some sort of string to tie it onto our face. If you don't have any string, grab some old shoelaces from a shoe. I'll just cut a piece, and I'll cut that in half. Now we're going to need to cut a little hole on each side. You can cut it with your scissors. If you have a hole punch, that would be great. I don't have one, so what I'm going to do is, this is just a regular nail. We're going to heat up that nail with our lighter. Careful now. Should be able to poke it right through. Ream it out a little bit. Then we'll feed our string from the inside of the mask outside. Then you're just going to tie one little knot in the end of the rope. Then we can pull the string. Okay, now we've got our 2 strings. Now you can just pretty much tie this on your head, but I'm going to go one step further. I take either a rubber band or a hair tie. We're going to tie each side of our string to the rubber band. That way we'll have some elasticity. We'll be able to take this on and off without tying it. So then the final product's going to look like this. So now we have a nice little stretch to get it on our head. Alright guys, and that's how to make a DIY face shield mask. If you guys like this video, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell to get all my new videos. And thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself guys. Take care.